New safe zone located.
Yeah, there they go.
Enemy.
Eyes on shooter.
Yeah,
Eyes on shooter.
we're not gonna get them. If we position ourselves over here, dude, like in that building there.
Go over there.
Look, oh, they're on the roof.
Friendly
Oh,
loadout
shit.
drop on the way.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, okay.
Knowledge bay point covered. Hostile patrol.
Okay, I got one here.
Direct fire.
Yeah, okay. Cracked one's armor. They fucking whiffed on a...
25 remaining. Nicely done.
Okay, one's down.
Okay. On the bridge with the road with them there.
Okay,
One's gone.
okay, one's underneath. Yeah, there it is.
All right. Good work.
Yes, sir.
Wonder if I can get to their gear before.
And it's looking pretty covered. That one underneath, maybe. Oh, got a sniper off to our left here. Oh, shit. Yeah, he's on me. Oh, shit. He's kind of by the buy box, dude.
Can you... Okay, he's on ground level.
Yeah, ground level, shooting up. Coming way, way back.
I'm in their sight.
Yeah, dude, I'm putting some distance between us here. Yeah, he's over there somewhere. Yeah, right there.
Enemy.
Yeah, fucking rocked him pretty good.
Stuff.
Gas is closing. Get to the
Closing
new
the
safe
distance
zone.
on him. He doesn't know I'm over here. Last ping was there. I don't know where he is now, but he's like back here somewhere.
Go over there.
Right here.
Yeah, he's right back here, dude, on blue.
I'm going.
Yes, sir. Beautiful.
Blown up.
Fucking right. Yeah.
Ground level.
Okay, guy right here on the street. Right on blue. Broke his armor. He ran across to the right. He's in. Oh shit, oh shit. Yeah.
I'm under fire.
Okay. What do we play? What are we
I
doing
screwed
here?
up.
Okay.
Yeah, I screwed up.
Are you okay?
Remaining. Keep it
Someone,
up.
well, someone knows where I am. If
Okay.
Gas is inbound.
Like,
I think if you peel around and we go around left here. Yeah.
okay.
Let's keep going. Fuck.
Inside the circle. Now.
5 people left.
Okay.
Shooting to our left.
Yeah.
Is that you?
Nope.
What?
Enemy cluster strike incoming. Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone. Losing ground.
Oh my god, dude. Right across the road. We gotta fucking go around the back, dude. I'm burning my mask.
Less than 5 to go. Bring home the win.
Ah, they got me. You good?
Damn it, dude.
Gas
No,
is
I'm dead.
inbound.
But keep
Marking
going.
new safe zone.
Guys left. You can't save me. I got one.
Got gas
2 dudes
moving
left.
in.
I'll try and ping them out.
No targets remain. You earned the win.
Fucking right.
Fucking
Boom!
right, buddy. Fucking right, man.
Oh, that was fucking crazy.
Way to clutch that.
Oh.
That's awesome.
Oh, that guy he must have been low armor, man, because...
Yeah, I just heard it. I didn't see it. I just heard it pop up and it was over.
Whoa.
Good work.
That was a grind, dude. That was great. That was a great round.
That was really... We had action kind of the whole
Oh,
time.
the whole time. You had 2 buybacks on me.
Fuck, that's right, eh?
Fuck.
Go and see how the kills went up.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Not bad. Not bad.
Not bad.